APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 18, 1931 in Rameshwaram, India. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology and in 1958 joined the Defence Research and Development Organization. In 1969, he moved to the Indian Space Research Organization, where he was project director of the SLV-3, the first satellite launch vehicle that was both designed and produced in India. Rejoining DRDO in 1982, Kalam planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles, which helped earn him the nickname Missile Man. Among those successes was Agni, India's first intermediate range ballistic missile, which incorporated aspects of the SLV-3 and was launched in 1989. From 1992 to 1997, Kalam was scientific advisor to the defense minister, and he later served as principal scientific advisor to the government with the rank of cabinet minister. His prominent role in the country's 1998 nuclear weapons test solidified India as a nuclear power and established Kalam as a national hero, although the tests caused great concern in the international community. In 2002, India's ruling National Democratic Alliance put forward Kalam to succeed outgoing President K.R. Narayanan. Kalam was nominated by the Hindu National NDA even though he was Muslim, and his stature and popular appeal were such that even Kalam easily won the election and was sworn in as India's 11th president, a largely consensual post. In July 2002, he left office at the end of his term in 2007. Kalam wrote several books, including an autobiography, Wings of Fire. Among his numerous awards were two of the country's highest honors, the Padma Vibhushan and the Bharat Ratna. Thank you.